Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 4 language arts. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select language arts from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter antonyms. The lessons we're going to cover are which sentences using an antonym, find antonym in context. Then we start a new chapter that would be shades of meaning, and the lessons are describe the difference between related words, positive and negative connotations. Got it? Let's just start with the first lesson that is from the chapter antonyms. Okay, here I'm on grade 4 language arts. Here is a chapter antonyms, and here is the lesson which sentence uses an antonym. Let's just start with the lesson. Read the sentence, select the sentence that uses an antonym in place of the word in bold. The screws on my trumpet case are loose. So you have to select the word that would be the antonym of the word loose. Got it? So antonyms are the words that have the opposite meaning. Got it? Like big and little. Big and little are opposite to each other. So the loose and tight are the antonyms. Loose and tight are the opposite to each other. So it would be the screws on my trumpet case are loose. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay. Read the sentence. Select the sentence that uses an antonym in place of the word in bold. Rana hopes to receive many cards on Valentine's Day this year. So, which is the correct option? Rona happens to make many cards on Valentine's Day this year, and Rona hopes to send many cards on Valentine's Day this year. Which is the correct option? That would be the second option. Got it? Receive and send are opposite to each other. Receive and send are the antonyms. So it would be the second option. Got it? Very good. The cupboards in Mr. Brady's kitchen are quite messy inside. So which is the correct option? The cupboards in Mrs. Brady's kitchen are quite damp inside, or the cupboards in Mrs. Brady's kitchen are quite neat inside. Which is the correct option? Yes, that would be the second option. Got it? Messy and neat are the antonyms. Got it? Okay, the sheriff's had a smile on his face as he rode away on his horse. So which is the correct option? The sheriff had a frown on his face as he rode away on his house or on his horse, or the sheriff had a mask on his face as he rode away on his horse. So which is the correct option? That would be option number one. Got it? Smile and frown are antonyms. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, Mr. Ramsay likes to exercise downstairs. Which is the correct option? Mr. Ramsay likes to exercise often, or Mr. Ramsay likes to exercise upstairs. So which is the correct option? That would be the upstairs. Got it? Downstairs and upstairs are the antonyms. Got it? It would be the second option. Got it? Okay, the next one is, do you hate pumpkin pie like I do? Hate and love are the antonyms. So it would be, do you love pumpkin pie like I do? This first option is the correct one. Got it? The Harveys have a tiny tree in their yard. So which is the correct option? Tiny and huge. Got it? Tiny and huge are the antonyms. So that would be the second option. The Harveys have a huge tree in their yard. Okay, the next one is, the weak knight led his wounded horse to safety. So which is the correct option? The impatient or the strong knight? Which is the correct option? Yes, that would be the strong. Weak and strong are the antonyms. So the second option is the correct option. Got it? Did you hear about the rich man who invented a time machine? Rich and poor. That would be the second option. Got it? Okay, the next one is, the towel that I brought to the beach is wet now. So which is the correct option? The towel that I brought from to the beach is here now, or the towel that I brought to the beach is dry now. So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be very good. Dry. Wet and dry are the antonyms. Got it? Let's plan to arrive sometime in December. So which is the correct option? Yes, arrive and leave. Got it? So it would be let's plan to leave sometime in December. That would be the second, that would be the correct option. Got it? It's common to see Jan helping out at the animal shelter, which is the correct option. Yes, common and unusual. Got it? Unusual is the antonym for the common. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? The next lesson is which antonym, find antonym in the context. Got it? Let's just start with the next lesson, that is find antonyms in context. Okay, select the antonym of the word in bold. Heather pulled the covers up to her chin and fell asleep. Her mom was still awake and kissed her on her forehead. So basically, antonyms are the opposite of the word. Got it? Yes, asleep and awake is the antonym. Okay, let's just start with the test questions because here you're not given with the options, so it would be a bit difficult. Okay, let's just start with the first example. The crackers are in the cupboard above the stove. The peanut butter is below the sink. So you have to find the antonym of the word above, so which is the correct option. Yes, the word above has the below. Got it? Above and below are the antonyms. Okay, the next one is last week Jesse was sick and had a high temperature. This week he is healthy again. So which is the antonym for the word sick? Yes, sick, and the opposite to sick is healthy. Got it? Sick and healthy are the antonyms. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the next one. The next one is did Lily receive my birthday card? I sent her 1 year old. I send her one every year, which is the correct option. Yes, receive and send are the antonyms, so it would be send. Okay, the next one is I forget people's name, but I always remember faces. So which is the antonym of the word forget? Yes, forget and remember. Got it? Forget and remember are the antonym. Basically, you can see, but I always remember faces. So here you get the face. Forget means the remembers. Got it? Forget and remember are the antonyms, not the same meaning. Select the antonyms of the word in bold. The gravy we had at Thanksgiving tasted awful. The roasted turkey was wonderful though, which is the correct option. Yes, the awful has the antonym that would be wonderful. I think, okay, yes, that would be wonderful. The fisherman was poor, but he worked hard. He dreamed of becoming rich. Yes, that would be rich. Poor and rich are the antonyms. Okay, Heather pulled the covers up to her chin and fell asleep. Her mom was still awake and kissed her on the forehead. So, which is the antonym of the word asleep? You can find the antonym in the sentence. Her mom was still awake and kissed her on the forehead. So that would be awake. Awake and asleep are the antonyms. That would be awake. Coyote pups are weak. Coyote pups are weak when they are first born. Within a few months, though, they become strong hunters. So, which is the correct option? Which is the yes, that would be weak and strong. Got it. So, strong is the antonym of the weak. So, the correct option is strong. Okay, the Stegosaurus was a huge dinosaur. It had a tiny brain about the size of a ping pong ball. So, which is the correct option? Yes, huge and tiny. Got it. Tiny is the antonym for the huge. Okay, the next one is, do you think that silk shirt is ugly? I think it's quite pretty. So, which is the antonym for the word ugly? Ugly and pretty. Got it. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. We're going to start the new chapter. If you need more help with the chapter, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it. So you can complete the test of all the chapters and then you can start the final test of the chapter. Okay, let's just start with a new lesson that would be the shades of meaning. So let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, so let's just start with the first lesson that is describe the different difference between related words. So let's just start. Okay, some words are alike, but they have a small difference in meanings. Those differences are called shade of meaning. Got it? For example, think about the words stare, peek, and glare. Got it? So the word stare means to look at something for a while. Then the word peek to look at something quickly. And glare is to look at something in an angry way. Got it? Glare means you are angry. Stare, peek, and glare all mean to look at something in different ways. The evening comes before the night, so the night is later. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. The practice questions are already solved. You can have a look on them. Okay, which is bigger, a hill or a mountain? So I think mountain. Got it. Okay, the next one is which is better, something pleasant or something delightful? That would be something pleasant or something delightful? That would be something delightful. Got it? Okay, the next one is which word shows anger, glare or glance? Which is the correct option? Yes, the anger means glare. Got it? Yes, that would be glare. The correct option is glare. Glare, glare, not glance. Glare means to angry, which is often worn by a team. A uniform or a costume. A uniform, got it? The one that all everyone wear on the team is a uniform. Got it? The correct option is a uniform. Which is larger, a meal or a snack? A meal is larger, got it? So the correct option is a meal. Okay, which is not as nice, stealing something or borrowing something? So which is the correct option? Not nice is stealing something is not nice, got it? So that would be option number one. Stealing something is not nice. Okay, which shows complaining, winning and talking? Which shows complaining? That would be winning, got it? Okay, which is later, the night, the evening? It would be the night. Got it? Night is the later. Okay, which is quieter, a laugh or a chuckle? It would be a chuckle. Got it? Because it must be silent. So it would be a laugh is not the quieter. Got it? A chuckle is the quieter. Okay, which is more gentle, grabbing something or talking something? So more gentle is talking something. Got it? Grabbing is not the gentle. Which lasts longer, a stare or a glance? It would be a glance is, I think, longer, not the stare. A glance is longer. Oh, it is a stare. Sorry. Okay, the next one is which is smaller, something tiny or something little? That would be something tiny. Got it? Smaller means something tiny. Okay, which is shorter, a letter or a note? It would be a note. Note is shorter. Got it? Not letter. Okay, which word means looking for something is in particular? Which is the correct option? Searching or explorer? It would be exploring. Got it? Not searching. Something particular, yes, it would be searching. Got it? Okay, the next one is which is less comfortable, being hungry or being starving? Less comfortable would be being starving. Got it? Okay, the next one is which is sneaky, creeping around or walking around? That would be creeping around. Got it? Sneaky is the creeping around. Okay, which is larger, something big or something huge? That would be something huge. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson from the same chapter. Got it? The next lesson is, let me just see, positive and negative connotation. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay. What is connotation? Connotations is the feeling or idea that goes along with a word or phrase. Some words are close in meaning but have different connotations. For example, think about the word eager and impatient. They both mean wanting something to happen, but then, sorry, eager and impatient. They both mean wanting something to happen, but they have different connotations. Got it? For example, think about the word eager and impatient. They both mean different, something to happen, but they have different connotations. Got it? So, eager has a positive connotation. It is a nice word. An eager person is happy and excited. Impatient has a negative connotation. Basically, you have to understand the word, which word is used as a negative connotation and which one is at negative. So, impatient is not a nice word. An impatient person is often pushy and demanding. Got it? So, let's just start with the test questions. Which phrase has a more negative connotation? Talk about something. Boast about something, which is the correct option. Which words have negative connotation? Negative is the second one, boast about something. Got it? Talking is not negative. Okay, the next one is, which phrase has a more negative connotation? Scold at someone or frown at someone. So, which is the correct option? That would be scowl at someone. Got it? Because frown means having fun. So, negative is scowl at someone. Okay, which phrase has a more negative connotation? A reason or an excuse? Negative, it would be an excuse. Got it? I think, yes, it is an excuse. Got it? Which phrase has a more negative connotation? A savage animal, a wild animal, which is more negative? The negative is a wild animal. Got it? Hmm. Savage animal. Okay. Which phrase has a more negative connotation? Feeling stuffed or feeling full, which is negative? That would be more negative. That will be full. Got it? Feeling full is the, oh, it would be feeling stuffed, not feeling full. Got it? Please do not guess the answers. Think and then answer. Which phrase has a more negative connotation? Surprise someone or that would be the second option. Got it? More negative. Okay, which phrase has a more negative connotation? Disagree about something, argue about something. That would be argue about. Got it? Argue is more negative. Okay, which phrase has a more negative connotation? Request something or demand something? It would be demand. Got it? Because request is not the negative, demand is the negative. Got it? Okay, the next one is which phrase has a more negative connotation? An eager person or an impatient person? Which is the correct option? It would be an impatient person. Got it? Which phrase has a more positive connotation? Snooping for something, searching for something. It would be searching for something. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 4 language arts. The chapter we are working today are we started with antonyms. The lessons we have covered are with sentence uses in antonym. Find antonym in context. Then we have started the new chapter. It is shades of meaning. Lessons we have covered are describe the difference between related words and positive and negative connotations. Got it? So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.